Hello, hello.
We made it to Bordeaux.
We thought it was gonna be warm because we were coming to the south of France, or towards the south of France, and it's not. It's very cold. I didn't bring a sweatshirt.
TT.
Dumb moves.
The train ride was only 2 hours from Paris, which is really interesting because it's 5.5 hours in a car. So it was super fast and easy, and now we're gonna walk to our Airbnb, which takes about 30 minutes to walk. We are in Bordeaux, and we went to our Airbnb, and I didn't realize that I booked a private bedroom and an apartment with other people there. But
the people are super nice.
The people are super cool. TT likes the people.
Yeah.
And then we went to the tourism center, which was so helpful, and they gave us like 80 pounds of paper to tell us what to do here. And this afternoon we're gonna do the monument walking self-guided tour thing. Then we're gonna go to the wine bar, and then we will get dinner somewhere. The Airbnb people gifted us these fancy little cakes when we moved in, and they look like this, and we're gonna try them.
So they're very typical from here, from Bordeaux. I'm not sure what their name is. It says La Toque something on the top, and I think that's like the restaurant or the brand. They're Canels de Bordeaux, I think.
Yummy!
They're shiny and like covered on some cinnamony thing. I like chewy. So if you follow me this way, on your right, you'll see the monument of Girondins. It's a tribute to inhabitants of Gironde lost during the French Revolution. It is 43 meters tall. Follow me this way, on your left, you can see the Maison Gouverneur, which I think it is Bordeaux's own version of the Flatiron Building, which houses the CIVB headquarters, the Bordeaux Wine Multidisciplinary Council, as well as their wine bar, which is a local institution, which is where we're going tonight. Follow me this way. Now, right after the train goes by, we're gonna see in our left the Grand-Théatre, which is a masterpiece of European architecture, the stair of which inspired the architecture responsible for the Opera Garnier in Paris.
Smiling at me as so many times before. I'll never wanna be.
TT is too busy to give you a tour update, but we are at Eglise Notre, which was constructed by the Dominicans, and it has been the set of numerous period drama films.
Wow! Show it! Wow!
Wow.
Leave you again. You are all I want and more. It's true.
We found the molds of the cake that we were eating earlier, and they come with all these instructions. And I've lost TT, even though I told him not to buy anything yet again. He is inside the bakery.
Here's some chocolate.
Ooh. So we learned a little bit more about these little cakes, and right now I bought one for TT, and this one has more vanilla, no rum.
Yeah, so there's two different recipes, the traditional and this one, and we tried the traditional before. We don't know if it tastes. So to start with, the other one that we tried, I think it looks a lot more like supermarket bought or something like that, more like different. And this one is, they make them right there. So this one is like crunchy on the outside, and the other one was all soft. This one feels way nicer.
Which one do you like more?
The texture of this one is really good. So I think if we bought the traditional one in this store, it will be better. But this one tastes very simple, and the other one tastes more like something different.
I like this one more. I think that is very moist, and I think it's sweeter. The other one felt like I was kind of eating like lunch. So I like this because it's more like a dessert. Go, Titi, go.
So pistachios seem to be big.
Bonjour. I'm secret too.
And this one are called the éphémères, and it's the same cream but with a different flavor. And
We have walked one block. Titi has bought more food. These are dunes from Cap Ferret. This one is with pistachio, and I don't like pistachio.
Try the inside.
I like that one.
What is that one?
Just whipped cream. I'll say 4 out of 5 macaroons.
Yeah. So these are not from Bordeaux necessarily, but they're from a near city from here, neighboring city.
Where the sand dunes are.
Yeah.
Because France has sand dunes. But we don't have time to go.
New favorite dessert ever. The pistachio one?
You like it?
Yeah, it's the week's flavor. Changes every week. I'm
Oh.
assuming. Follow me now. So if you look at your left, you don't see crap. Because they're rebuilding it or doing maintenance or something. But it is the Porte Cailhau, a getaway into a city from West since Roman era.
Baby, how I need the loving of you.
So far we walked from right there till here, and we found a really nice chocolate shop. We bought hot chocolate because it looked really nice, because the picture has like actual like melted chocolate on it, so fun. And it looks very thick. And then she gave us this free cinnamon chocolate.
Which was so cute and so nice of her. Cannelle.
Canil.
Cannelle.
And she said that we can put it in the chocolate.
Really?
Yeah. Or she either said that we can put it in the chocolate or that it goes with the chocolate. With the hot chocolate.
We'll see.
I only took 1 semester of French.
Now we will continue. Titi is trying the hot chocolate.
She is thick. So just to go back to last time we talked, we walked from there to here, and we found the Hotel de Ville, which is that thing over there, and it is a cathedral, the Cathedral Saint Andre in Tours Piverland. It's a Gothic style cathedral hosted 2 royal marriages. And then in this other side, we can see the Porte Cailhau. It's a getaway into a city from the west. No, it is a palace. My bad. It's a palace. This building was originally the Archbishop's palace in 1784, but in 1800 it became the Girondins.
Okay. It's a palace. We're done.
Oh no, it's complicated.
Doorstep, finally home. I've been gone.
If you look behind me, it is the Musée d'Aquitaine, which is a museum reenacting the history of Aquitaine and Bordeaux from prehistory to the present.
So, update on the hot chocolate. Do you remember that, the poster of the hot chocolate said that it was made out of real chocolate? It is too much of real chocolate, I think. I'm kind of into it. Stephanie's not, but it's so cold outside that it's just starting to solidify. So we're almost to the point in which you have to chew the hot chocolate.
Ew. Okay, but anyways, we have focused a little more on our walking tour and have stopped buying so many things on the street, and this is what we have found.
Grosse Cloche, a historic town built for
This is the only remaining old defensive gate of the 13th century, and the weather vane on top presents a golden lion, the symbol of the kings in England. It was casted in 1775, and the bell weighs
7,800 kilograms.
For too long. Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio is playing the song.
Now we're almost back to our Airbnb. It is the Porte Cailhau. I don't know how to say it. But it's this defensive structure built between 1493 and 1486.
So this is defensive structure. Was built between 1493 and 1496 on the side of an old gatehouse. This was the main point of entry into the city for the river for almost 2 centuries. Looks like a castle. We are currently at Chez,
Something like that.
and I got the French onion soup, and it's actually really good, and I usually don't like French onion soup, so that's super exciting. I got grandma's chicken thing, and Lord knows what teeth we got.
The translation in English, I don't think it was right, but I looked it up in the menu in French online, and it's supposed to be a traditional dish of this area. It has white beans and duck.
Yeehaw. So for dessert, I got a chocolate mousse and Titi.
I don't know again.
Got this cake thing. Yay.